Morning, gentle people. Morning, baby girl. Morning. You gotta bring my din. Do the good thing from the one also? Yeah, I get all of them. I'm cut in refrigerator. The table and come back? Not all of them. I mean by not all of them. In carry some and some of the because it's small chucking jar. I mean a small chucking jar. So I'm carrying G. Five times use a big chuck for come from the things then, but when I carry back in customer, you make sure you stay on the phone with them until the one of my things them come back. And make sure you count them off so none no miss because they know the style that for them keep no things them. Right. Make one chocolate ready for me and a big cup of ice. Morning. Jacob. Where really I go with my place? What I mean by? But I think this not done already based on the conversation we may have. Brother, I need the work for done. When I do the work, I don't want the whole of the money one time, but when I do the work, I do my work piece a piece. I need the whole of my work for done because you get the whole of your money. I need to know what I do. Oh, Miss Jen, me need you to come finish my place. I need to know what is happening. I have a program I work with and this not good for me. I have an event next week Friday and I need to see the space I work with to know what I do. Alright. Tomorrow morning, I out at 8 o'clock, you know. So make sure say you're there at 8 o'clock when you say you come. Alright, brother. Yes, baby. I'm there, I'm up at the bar.
So you sound so stressed out.
I feel stressed out.
Yeah? Wow.
Work money I get on top of my nerves now. From when Jacob do the work and he beat after and left it and gone. I'm want this done, come out something and go on next week.
Then you don't know see I saw Jacob stay, man. Some man always a going like him can't find him later. So tell me something. I that me not see you for more than a week.
Baby, I have to just understand, I'm kind of busy this week. Because the whole heap of stress with the taxi them and the workman them, the work overwhelmed me.
You know what next concern with me have?
Which basket white? Tam, what you say?
One brother were far forward for your black man. And it seemed like him have a key because from when me I hear him seem to go come and go as him please.
No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I forgot to talk about that, baby. I don't have to discuss over the phone.
Babes, you sure you good?
Yes. Yeah, yeah, we talk about that more. Yeah, talk about it. Where your head about it. I don't know.
Well, so you saw. Now I forget concern. Cause the energy kinda low.
Yeah, I know. I'm not feel so 100 from what day to baby. I understand that. Just give me the time. I'm not up certain things. And yeah, I know the full 100 by everything.
Do me a favor still. Find a pharmacy and get some iron tablets and some vitamins.
I do that already, man, dear.
Oh, you do it already?
Yeah, me have to go to the doctor, so I'm gonna get that done. That's over.
Cha. So a doctor involved and me didn't even know.
Yeah, you don't need to worry about that. Alright, yeah, here we talk now. Deal with something on the road, you know, man, they're driving on the phone thing, so we'll catch up with a little more.
That's one thing me want you know before me come off of the phone. You see every aspect of your life concern. Alright. Look up, man. Much love.
Alright, baby, later.